In the wild, there are behaviors that make humans instinctively turn away. One of them is eating poop. At first glance, it looks like a sign of starvation, weakness, or a broken instinct. A behavior we associate with filth and disease. But what if I told you, for many wild animals, poop is not waste, but a resource? Not every pile of poop in nature is dangerous. The poop of a healthy individual is mostly water, harmless bacteria, undigested food, and dead cells. It only becomes risky when it comes from a sick individual. Under normal conditions, poop is simply what's left over from an imperfect digestive process. And that very imperfection creates opportunity. Digestion never extracts every last bit of nutrition. Especially for herbivores, up to a third of the food's energy remains in the poop. In the wild, ignoring that energy source means being at a disadvantage. And disadvantage, in evolution, often leads to extinction. That leads to one question. If the energy is still there, why not use it? On one side, the instinct to avoid it makes sense. Poop can carry parasites, bacteria, and pathogens. One small mistake can cost a life. But on the other side, survival efficiency is what gets selected. Dung beetles and flies survive almost entirely on the poop of other animals. Some mammals and birds re-eat undigested food to extract more energy. In nature, there is no behavior that is bad or beautiful. Only behaviors that help you survive longer. Some species are forced to eat their own poop. Rabbits eat plants like ruminants, but their intestines are much shorter. After feeding, they produce a soft type of poop rich in microbes and nutrients. And then eat it again to complete digestion. Gorillas, when food is scarce, re-eat poop to recover fats and salts from hard seeds that weren't fully processed. Cassowaries re-eat large fruit pieces that pass through them because their intestines are too short to digest everything in one pass. This is the paradox. Evolution doesn't create perfect bodies. It creates solutions that are just good enough to survive. Eating poop is not a victory. It comes with risks. Parasites, immune strain, shorter lifespans. Their lives shrink around a single goal, wasting no energy. There is no reward, only continuing to live. In the wild, there is no proper choice, only the more effective choice under harsh conditions. If you were an animal in the wild, Would you choose to avoid the risk or accept the cost to survive one more day? But the story doesn't end with whether animals eat poop. Species that eat poop rarely have clean immune systems. They coexist with microbes, parasites, and pathogens at higher levels. That forces the body to adapt. Shorter guts. More specialized microbes. An immune system constantly on alert. In nature, poop is rarely wasted. If one species doesn't eat it, another will. Dung beetles bury it underground. Flies and larvae break it down fast. Nutrients return to soil, grass, and plants. Some species evolve toward cleanliness. Complete digestion, lower disease risk, but they pay with longer digestion times and dependence on high-quality food. Poop eaters choose a different path. Not clean, not safe. No strategy is absolutely superior. Only strategies that fit conditions. Evolution doesn't care if you're disgusted. It doesn't care if a behavior looks ugly. It doesn't care about morals. Evolution asks only one question. Does this behavior help genes persist longer? If the answer is yes, it will persist, even if humans turn away. In the wild, survival is not a glorious victory. It's a series of uncomfortable choices. Repeated every day. If you were an animal in the wild, would you choose cleanliness and risk starvation, or accept filth to stay alive?